How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a GoPro Hero 7 Black unboxing along with some accessories. So, let's jump right into this and get started. We have the GoPole, because they didn't have the GoPro brand one, so I got this one for now. Hopefully that one will work nicely. We got the GoPro Hero 7 Black, built in with live streaming. You need your memory card. And last but not least, I picked up the floating handle because I do got a jet ski. I don't know if the shorter grip one will be better for blogging or if this one will be a little bit better. So let's jump right into it. So far the box says this is a hyper smooth stabilization. I know I got a little bit of a list. 12 megapixel camera, 4K at 60 frames per second, up to 33 feet, 10 meters in water, and now it also has live streaming. This tells you everything that is included: USB charger, one mount, 2 sticky mounts, made for iPhone and iPad. Hopefully Google's on the other side, because I am a Note 8 guy, or Note 9 now guy, all the way Samsung. We have 8x slow motion, HDR, GPS, hyper smooth, live streaming, 4K at 60, 1080 at 240. Looks like I got voice control. Oh, yep. Get it on Google and or App Store. So all overall, nicely boxed. And we'll jump right into the unboxing of it. Sorry that I'm trying to do this with one hand. Box is empty now. Instructions on how to get it off the mount, but normal people would already know how because normal people probably already have GoPro. Trying to do this with one hand is a little bit difficult. Okay. Like usual, turtle on the back. Looks like it's pretty decently built. Open it up. Let's see what we got. GoPro manual. GoPro stickers like usual. The big manual. USB-C charger. One curve mount. One flat surface mount, one battery, and that's it. Basic like usual. Well, let's see on getting it out of its housing. Come on, bitch. There, put the battery in. Battery has a little pull tab. I'm guessing that's to help get it out once it's in. Push the battery in, lock it in. That one seems a lot better than the GoPro 6. Oh, this is part 1 of the video, because I'm recording in 4K right now on my Note 9, and I could only record up to 5 minutes, so that's part 1. I'm going to open up my memory card, put the memory card in, and we'll do a little walkthrough of it.